Okay, boys, this is big. I repeat, this is big. You're not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I'm so excited. Oh. Christmas came a little later for me. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Welcome back, guys. This is, the date's actually the 31st. You guys aren't probably seeing this video until January sometime, but the last couple videos I've posted for you guys have, they've been fun. You already know about the motor. I don't really know what's going on with it yet, but it runs good, and I might have some ideas. I don't really know what's going on with this, so please don't ask questions, because I don't even know. But I did say in my video, the last video I put out, I think it was on the 30th, or no, it was today. I uploaded it today, actually. I said that I had a little bit more coming in the new year, and you guys have already seen the last couple videos, so I'm very excited. I am extremely excited. Why am I still sitting in front of this box? That's a real question we should be asking ourselves. So in this box, I have the last component to completing the exterior look of my Jeep. I bought this, I was very fortunate enough, my work gave me a Christmas bonus, and I put it right towards this because I knew that I wanted it. It wasn't something I needed, so I splurged and I bought it, and I'm so excited. Oh! Okay, so we got a piece of styrofoam, not necessary. What's in here? A filler box. Not necessary. If you're missing any hardware components, call Smittybuilt. Okay. And what do we got here? This is the top piece, I believe. And this. Wait a minute. Did I fuck up? Or is it just not come yet? Okay, let me cut it open and see. Either I messed up or the other box just hasn't shipped yet, which is fine. Because there's no way. I made sure I bought bumper and tire carrier, not just tire carrier, which is what I think this is. Okay, well, I don't think this is a me fault. I just think the bumper is gonna ship separately, I hope. I guess I will pick this back up when I get the other piece, because this isn't going on anything without the other piece.
Several days later.
Well, it took them over a week. Oh my. To get it here. But they got it here. As you can tell, the shop's a write-off. My dad's got about 3 projects going on right now, so I don't even know when I'm gonna get the chance to install this, but I just wanna see what it looks like. Currently, I have the spare tire, the tire carrier, other pieces in the Jeep. There is a ton of stuff that I have thrown in there because there is nowhere for them to go right now. What do we got here? The only thing I hate about Smittybuilt bumpers and packaging and all that is there's so much waste, and you can't do anything about it. It's just a little annoying. Hardware, keep that. Styrofoam. Oh my God! Oh, this thing is massive. Holy hell, that's heavy. I'm gonna throw my back out holding this thing. Oh my God. Well, that is a piss off. Oh my goodness. There we go. That is, I'm gonna leave that like that because it's got lube on it. So, this, oh my god, it's so hard. Holy, those are grommets of some sort. I don't want to lose those. So this is it. Oh my goodness, this is huge. So when I ordered my front bumper, I didn't get D-rings with it, so I ordered D-rings for the front bumper. Well, I didn't think this one came with D-rings, so I ordered D-rings for it. But the front bumper has black D-rings, and these are galvanized. I got a class 3 hitch, which is pretty gangster. Let's say max 5,000 pound tongue. I don't know. This thing is heavy, like heavy duty. I didn't expect this nice of quality from Smittybuilt, to be completely honest. Gangster. I'm really glad I got the one with the class 3 hitch because that is a necessity. So there were 2 hardware boxes that came with the bumper and the tire carrier, and I'm not sure which one is bumper and which one's tire carrier. So I'm just gonna open these up and figure it out. It said hardware inside, do not discard. I feel like I have to drill some holes to make this work. Yeah, so I think that bracket's for is to line up where you drill your holes. Okay, hardware. Lots of hardware and instructions.
Is it stripping though?
Oh!
Yeah, you broke it, bud.
I thought I was gonna break it. Huh, this one actually came off.
It snaps. That one was quite rusty.
Nice! Put it on 3. Nice! That one actually came out. Oh wait, it didn't. It's time to just start cutting shit. Ow. Ow. Hit your wrist one more time, you moron. Got it. Hey, it's actually still a good hitch. I can clean this up, paint it, sell it for 40 bucks. Give it a love tap. One more. Got it. Gotta address the issue of the rust here. I know how I can fix that. Hey, this. Boom. So I cleaned this up and I painted it last night. The only problem is I'm gonna have to figure out, I had to make these little plates because the threads that are on the inside of the bumper for the bolt for the bottom don't work. So I'm gonna hopefully make these work. I gotta line up the template and then drill the holes down. So this template is really easy. You just line up the bolt holes with, like this side. You line up this hole here and then mark these holes. And then drill them out 7/16. So there are supposed to be bolts that are like tacked into the frame in here, and they broke. Knowing this Jeep, that's also why there's a big rot hole here, because Canada. So I made this plate. It's gonna go in here, and I'll have to like kind of pressure it down, and then the bumper's gonna mount underneath here in these 2 holes and these 2 holes. I don't know if you guys will struggle with the rust issues that I have, because I don't know where most of you guys are from, but in Canada it's a major issue, hence why I have other projects this winter that I have to do on this thing. But I'm going to line the bumper up, and hopefully this will be the end of her. So it took me a while, but I did get the bolts in the bottom with the floaters. I'm calling them floaters because it's easy to say, with the plates that I weld the bolts on. I got them in. I got the 2 on each side in. Now the ones that are on the back of the cross member that I drilled, I didn't get in. Now, I'm not driving this Jeep tomorrow. I just don't feel like dropping the gas tank tonight to get them in, which is probably what I'm gonna have to do later on down the road, which I'll get done before summer starts. But now it's tire carrier time, which is And the tire carrier's on and it's mounted. I'm gonna be stoked. But I gotta open up the box, figure out what I need here. What do we have? This is the mount. Yeah, so this is what that piece right there, this goes on, I think. Not sure. Hey, they gave me a new pump thing. I kept my old one when I did the rear crosshill, but they gave you a new one, nice. Oh, they gave me lug nuts. And instructions that I'm gonna read. This goes over that. And then seat clip. It says nylon washer. I don't see a nylon washer anymore. Okay. So these two that are in the bag are the shorter ones. The longer one goes on top. This one I got 20. I had to have a 22 on this side and a 1 inch on this side. Now I'm having a problem with it closing. The latch won't line up, but I'm hoping when I put the tire on the carrier, it'll work. Well, I got it set up and put together. I'm pretty sure my batteries died last night. The only couple of complaints that I have about it, when I bought this Jeep back in April, I think it was 2 years ago now, I had this, how it looks right now is exactly what I wanted when I bought it. I wanted Smittybuilt rear bumper, front and rear fenders. That's what I wanted, and I made sure that I held true to that. I am missing the 4 bolts on the back. Like I said, I gotta drop the gas tank and put that in. Everything's gonna be coming off anyway because of other stuff that I'm not gonna leak yet. The only thing that I don't like is when you open it. Now, I did lose, there's supposed to be a little nylon washer that goes in between the the tire carrier and the bumper here on the spindle. But with the 33-inch tire on it, there is quite a lot of play, not just in the bumper. I know there's gonna be play in the bumper right now because the 4 bolts are in the back, but there is a lot of play in the carrier. So my thinking is, what's back here that I use? Straps, shackles, winching, all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is put all this stuff in like a trail bag type thing, and then just close the tailgate, lock it, and then tighten the tire carrier to the point where it doesn't open. Because really, there's nothing back here that I need to open the trunk for. I can put everything in the back seats. But other than that, this is all that I have for you guys. I will probably do, once I get everything done and it gets warmer out and it's not snowing like it is right now, I'll back it out and I'll get some really good shots of it, because I can't stand back enough from it to see it in full capacity with the carrier. And there's a lot there is a lot that I'm excited for this thing. There's a lot I'm excited for to get it done, to enjoy it in the summer, to do with it in the summer. I can't wait. I cannot wait. But I'm gonna stop rambling. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. This was a big piece to me to get done, because it's the final look that I've wanted, even though everything else isn't really final yet. How it looks on the outside is now exactly what I've wanted since I bought it. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Boo! Oh, so oh man, it's covered in what? Fuck, what? Why? Use caution, do not open with sharp object, may cause damage. Well, too late.